Prior to attending Bowie State University, I was a Prince George's Community College graduate. During my senior year, I was already working at PG as an on-call employee for PGCC TV. I never imagined that all these years later, I would be where I am now. Today, I'm the Media Operations Specialist and a Production Manager for the Humanities Department. Reflecting back on the journey, I can honestly say that being here at PG has helped me to hone my skills. A lot of people depend on me and rely on my media expertise. From directing shows, working events from behind the scenes, teaching others in the arts of media, hosting award ceremonies to honor our students, or producing award-winning movies, I've grown to be the man I am today. I reflect back with pride from how much I've grown and how far I've gone. What's your growth through reflection? Save the date for Skill Enhancement and Employee Development Day, October 24th, 2023.